Hey there, guys. All right, so that's the kind of intro you get when I forget to film an intro. Sorry about that. So we're just jumping in right away to testing out these Cantu products. And I am just starting the cleansing process by making sure that my hair is thoroughly saturated with water and beginning to scrub my scalp with the pads of my fingers. Guys, this video has been a long time coming. Thank y'all so much for continually requesting that I try these products. So I'm starting off with the Creme Cleansing Shampoo from Cantu. It's not 100% clear. There is a little bit of opacity to it, which I thought was a little bit interesting. And this is their sulfate-free shampoo. They do have a shampoo in their line that contains a sulfate. This one is the sulfate-free one. And man, this stuff lathered up amazingly. I feel like some people would find this shampoo to be slightly too clarifying, but I really enjoyed it. It does contain C14, C16 olefin sulfonate, which is a magnetic buildup remover. It is a fantastic surfactant. I find that when I use Lopoos that contain that as a surfactant, my hair does really well, but some people find that ingredient to be too cleansing. So I just thoroughly rinse that out of my hair, and now I'm going in with the Hydrating Cream Conditioner. I grabbed way too much on accident. Sorry about that. It's pretty thick conditioner, but I did find it to distribute very easily through my hair. So here I am just finger detangling my hair, making sure that I've got that conditioner distributed to every strand on my head. I find that using my fingers allows me to feel where my hair might need some more conditioner and where it would be just fine. So now I'm adding a little bit of water to the back of my head. This really helps when I do a good thorough squish to condish. The water actually helps carry the conditioner into my hair shaft. Wow, words are hard. I think I say that in every video. This is the story of my life, guys. And I'm not gonna lie, I stopped and triple checked the ingredients to see if there was a silicone in it, because guys, this conditioner was super slippery. Has anybody else tried this conditioner? What do y'all think? Is it super slippery? Because it really felt like there were silicones in it, but I double checked it and I didn't see any. All right, now I'm going in with the Moisturizing Cream Curl Activator. This is the product that I think I've been asked to try the most. This is a cult favorite, beloved by many. So I'm just making sure that my hair is soaking wet. Water is your friend when styling. Water is your friend when styling. Now I'm just starting to distribute that over my hair, and I did find that it was kind of chunky. Like, even though I really warmed it up in my hands and emulsified it well, it was just kind of chunky going onto my hair. So I made sure to brush that through with my Perfect Hair Care brush to make sure that there weren't any chunks. Since my hair was thoroughly detangled already from that conditioner, I felt good about running a brush through my hair to distribute the curl activating cream. I'm treating the cream like it's my leave-in, so just adding a little bit of water to it and doing a good old squish to condish with that cream, starting to really organize and situate my curl clumps here. I stand up and shake the hair off the back of my head. This is absolutely essential for me to make sure that nothing sticks. This keeps the back of my head looking nice when I flip my head right side up. Now I'm going in with the Styling Stay Glue Gel. This isn't something I've seen a lot of people talk about, and it's advertised as super hard hold, but can we just appreciate that consistency? It's so weird. It had like a slightly thicker than flaxseed gel kind of consistency, and I really struggled getting it to smooth out in my hands. I just kept smoothing it, and it was it was really like glue. They named this well. And I started squishing it into my hair and it got super, super slippery and slimy. It was a really, really weird product. It's not a product that I haven't tried anything else that's like this. So if you haven't tried this Stay Glue Gel, you kind of need to for the price anyway. It is a neat product. So I'm just really taking my time here and gently squishing and pulsing that gel into my hair. And as I was doing that, I could really feel my curl clumps shrink up and I was having a really good curl enhancement. Usually when my hair is this full of water, my curls feel much more elongated, but y'all can see just how much they're bouncing up. Again, standing up, making sure that I'm shaking the hair off the back of my head, making sure nothing's stuck, and really taking my time squishing this product into my hair. And I was a little bit mesmerized with how much my hair was spiraling up. It doesn't normally do this. So that was really, really fun and very cool. Now just giving my hair one final good scrunch, and there are the curl clumps. All right, so I diffused my hair for about 30 minutes and it was almost dry, but not quite. So I've wandered around my house, let it finish air drying, and now I'm ready to scrunch out this crunch. And guys, I actually have a tiny bit of crunch. Let me see if I can show you what that means. No, not so much. My hair's a little bit crunchy for the first time in a long time. So yay, that's kind of fun. Something to actually scrunch out. Oh, wait. That section's not dry. Let me see. Wait. Yeah, no, it's not dry. Never mind. I'll be right back. If you scrunch out the crunch before it's dry, you will regret it. It never turns out the way you want. Boo. I'll be back soon. All right. Is there such a thing as run out the crunch? Because I totally just went out in the backyard and played with my kiddo for a little bit. And I feel like a lot of that cast broke up. And my hair is completely dry now. But there are a couple places, like right here, that are a little bit stuck to the back of my head. So I'm going to go ahead and do my regular scrunch and fluff routine to get this cast completely broken up. And then I'll show you what it looks like. But guys, I gotta tell you, I was so weirded out by that gel, and I'm kind of really impressed. I'm a little freaked out, I'm not gonna lie. That gel is so slippery. Like, you first put it in your hands and it gets kind of thick and sticky feeling, but as soon as you put it in your hair, there's a crazy amount of slip with it. It's very weird. Wow. What the heck is happening? What is happening right now? Oh, that spot is still not unstuck from the back of my head. But the front looks really pretty. Okay, this glue may be a real thing. There is a spot. Never had a gel with a cast that I couldn't break before. I guess I just got kind of a lot of gel in one spot in the back of my head. The rest of my hair is fine though. Look at this. That's majestic. Y'all tell me if I got it unstuck from the back of my head. Let me show you. All right, guys, I'll be back in the morning to show you how this held up. Good morning. Let's take this hair down, see what we're dealing with. because it was looking real good yesterday. All right, shouldn't mess with it too much. Should let it settle down. There we go. Okay, got everything arranged. That's so cute, little wavelet. All right, let me turn around and show you how it's holding up right now. And I'll be back in a couple of minutes to show you how it settled. All right, guys, it's been about 15 minutes and my problem area, come on camera, there we go. My problem area is definitely my roots, but everything else that was kind of wonky has had a chance to lay down. So now that I can kind of see where everything is going to be for the day, I'm going to refresh a little bit. So this, I don't think I have showed y'all before. Maybe I have, I don't know. But what I do is I take the comb and I stick it in my roots and I fluff them. Oh, maybe, okay. You can do it this way. This is similar to fluffing with your fingers, but I like doing this when things are kind of piecey at the top and I would like a more cohesive root look. Also, this is really hard to do in the viewfinder of the camera and not in the mirror in my bathroom. Oh well. It's almost a way to comb out the roots without destroying all the curl clumps. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that My Soigné refresh spray that I used in my last One Brand wash day. If you missed it, feel free to go check it out to know what's in this mixture. But I am just going to spray a little bit into my hands. And I'm not going to smash, but I'm going to smooth this over and scrunch, just to catch any of those super frizzy flyaways and kind of help them lay down. There we go. Very gently. And I'm not using very much at all. This is just to kind of grab anything that's standing up too crazy. All right. That took care of all the frizzies on top. My roots are looking much more put together. Let me go ahead and turn around and show you the back. All right. And that is it for this video. This is day 2 hair with all Cantu products and a smidgen of a refresh spray. I hope y'all are having an absolutely fantastic day and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!